about her achievements. Rania Haddad was the 2009 JCI Lebanon National President, the 2010 North Africa and Middle East Development Counselor, and now in 2011 she was elected the Vice President, considered the third most important position in the organization on the international level. Help me welcoming her.
Your Excellency, the Ambassador of Turkey in Lebanon, President of the Lebanese Association of Industrialists Nahmat Frame, JCI Executive Vice President Rami Marzouk, National President Olga and Board, JCI Beirut President Andre and Board, distinguished guests, members and senators. Allow me to start by sincerely thanking you for gracing us with your presence among us this evening and with the latest developments in the past few days. I have been a member in this esteemed organization for the past 5 years, and with each new role that I am blessed with each year, I fall in love deeper with JCI. Would you like to know why? It is very simply because it turns my fellow members and myself into true active citizens through all the opportunities that it develops for us to create positive change. And among all my national and regional positions in JCI, the cherry on top of the cake was being elected as 2011 JCI Vice President, assigned to the national organization members of Egypt, Jordan, Syria, Tunisia, Morocco, Zimbabwe, Mauritius, and South Africa, all of which I will be visiting in the few coming months to promote the message of our 2011 World President, JCI President Kentaro Harada from JCI Japan, this year of joining forces with our partner, the United Nations, in order to achieve the United Nations Millennium Development Goals and promote mutual respect and understanding that will ultimately lead to human security. But the dearest thing to my heart in my new role this year is that I will be a true ambassador of Lebanon, spreading a completely different picture of it among my assigned countries than the one that is portrayed nowadays in the media. That is why I would like to dedicate the success of Executive Vice President Rami and myself not only to JCI Lebanon but to all of Lebanon. Thank you, Madam President, for this reception, and once again, all of you, thank you for celebrating our success with us tonight. Have a wonderful evening.